Now, quite a few of you are actually starting to receive your Sophie and Toffee boxes now, the ones that have been backed up from ages ago. Some of you are getting your April and your May boxes coming through. Some of you have said to me that you've just had your February box come through. You know, I know it's been a lot, but thank you so much for being so patient. And I really do hope that my videos can help you with your crafts. Now, that being said, I've just received July's box. So let's jump into this one because I think I may know the theme, but I'm not too sure because you know what I'm like. I forget everything. Anyway, let's get to it. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Campbell, and I am excited to open up this box. Now, from what I remember, the theme is polyhedral dice, I think. And I say that because like I briefly saw the title of an email and then I skipped past it because you know me, I don't do spoilers. So I don't actually know what's in it. Oh, I just burped. I'm so sorry. That's disgusting. So I don't actually know what's in it, but I think that dice may be the kind of theme here. So let's see how we go. Now, let me just open this up. Now, for those of you who've never seen my unboxing videos before, I do go in blind with this. I don't open it and look inside or anything like that. I just like to stick my hand in, have a little feel around and pull stuff out because I love to be surprised. And it really doesn't take much to surprise me or make me happy. So enjoy. All right, so this is the booklet, I think. Is this the booklet or just the leaflet? Booklet? Yes, okay, so let's pop that over there and I will glance at that a little bit later on. I have no idea what to expect. All I know is that dice are involved somehow, from what I remember. That doesn't look like a die to me. What is this? Have I completely like called out the totally wrong theme? I don't know. What are these? These look like they are to go on top of something. So look at this. All right. Have a look at that. So it looks like you can sort of make your own like clasps to go on top of your jewelry. That's what that looks like to me. I'm not entirely sure if I'm right, but that's my guess. So we shall see. That's an interesting mold though. I do like that. Okay. Let's place you down there. Let's see what else have we got. I kind of want to feel around for dice just so that like I know that I'm on the right track. What is this? What is that? What in the name of all things holy is this? What is this? I'm sure that there is a logical explanation, but I don't know. It's squishy. It looks like squished up Oreos. I don't know, darling. I don't know. So far, no dice. Let's see. What is that? Okay, we'll save that for a bit later. What is this? Okay, maybe dice aren't part of this box at all. Maybe that was an email about something completely different. Maybe I just completely got it wrong because there are still no dice. I don't know. But these look like little flowers, or maybe they're also clasps for your resin project, or at least could be used as such. But they're beautiful though. Absolutely gorgeous. So you just sort of put your resin in there and then just press that in. Somehow I'm veering away from the theme of dice. I don't think that's what it is. So I apologize for thinking it's dice. Maybe it was just like an email saying that they've got the dice in stock or something. I don't know. I'm so sorry. Okay, what are you? Okay, definitely not dice. Okay, so this is a Flowery Botanical Box. Oh my goodness. Wow. Do you know, It's funny because I was thinking the other day that I needed to have some like dried flowers for a project that I'm thinking of doing. So this has come at a very good time for me. Look at these. Let's have a look. I'm so sorry for telling you guys that the theme is dice. It's not dice. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Right, let's put you there. Look at the, oh my God, they're so delicate. Are these fake flowers or are they real? I can't actually tell if these are real dried flowers or not. I can't tell. Okay, that feels fake. I think that they might be fake ones. I'm not sure, but regardless, isn't that beautiful? Look at these ones. This one actually feels quite real. These ones feel real. Oh my God. Look at those blues. Aren't they gorgeous? I don't know why I'm suddenly talking so quietly. It's because it's just so delicate. You see, it's just as well that I don't know the theme, isn't it? Just as well. It's just as well. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay. So we have, oh, is this to make like a fairy garden or something? What? So we have some teeny tiny little like piece of wood here and a shell and a tiny little mini house. This is adorable. I think it's to make like a little like fairy garden. Oh, how beautiful. How delicate. Oh my God. Must not lose the house. Oh my gosh. Okay, what is this? It's for a terrarium. I couldn't have been further away from the theme if I tried, honestly. It's for a little terrarium. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna be a little like hanging terrarium. Oh, that is sweet. Oh, that is adorable. What is this? Oh, I like these stones. Oh, I need to get a feel of these. I really like the feel of like crystals and like pebbles and rocks and that sort of thing. Let me just open this up. Oh, that's lovely. I just love the feel of stuff like this. But they're all quite sort of like chalky, like in their texture. I like that a lot. That's going to give a really nice sort of base to the terrarium. Oh, this is so different. Oh my goodness. I still haven't seen any resin yet. Do we even have resin in this? I don't know. Okay, we do. Right, so we have, oh, I've got yellow and green crystal art gel. Are there any others? Wait, of course we'd have resin because we've got silicone molds. Ayesha, you are not with it today, child. You are not with it today. Got white as well and orange in this one. Got quite a bit of resin actually. Any other colours here? Yes. Orange and forest green. I wonder if everybody got the same colours. Comment below and let me know if you got the same colours as me. Let me see. Some toothpicks. Not entirely sure what I need them for, but or maybe for the flowers. It might be for these. I think, do these have little like holes in them? It might be for these, for the flowers. That would make sense. So now this here must be for like the base of the terrarium. Hold on. This must be for the base of the terrarium then, to like give it some sort of texture, some like soil almost. Okay, it's all coming together now. I was just so baffled. I was expecting some dice. So baffled. What's this? I've also got grey and some more pebbles as well. Some more really cute little pebbles there. And I think this might be the last thing. What is that? Got some blue powder, but I don't know if it does anything. I don't know if it's like thermal color changing or anything like that. I'm not sure. Maybe this will be for like, maybe this is a kind of pigment and maybe it's for like, for making like a sort of water scene sort of thing. Do you know? I reckon Sandra is gonna go to town on this. She's gonna go to town on this box. This is very up her street, I think. Okay. This is very, very, very different for me. This is gonna be a lot of fun. I feel like I need to, also, where are the packing peanuts? Like, what happened? Where are my packing peanuts? So it definitely is for July. It's not like I accidentally got an August box or something. It's definitely for July. I apologize. I obviously made a mistake thinking that it was about dice. Ooh. So we are, okay, so this is the February Creative Contest winners. Night Night Onigiri. Look at that beautiful unicorn that they made. That's stunning. Runner-up Studios 3NNO Bara. I think I saw that. I think I saw that on Instagram. This one, I'm pretty sure I saw that. And another runner-up is Sorbet Surprise. Look at that beautiful shell. That's stunning. Congratulations, guys. Okay, so it seems that everyone got green, yellow, and white with the crystal art gel. Air dry stone clay. Oh, I see. They're not clasps for your resin projects. This is what happens when I don't look at what's in the box. These are succulents molds. Okay, for making the teeny tiny little mini succulents. Oh my God. Oh, this is so, so cute. And plants and flowers. So this is all from the regular box, and more pebbles, toothpicks. Yeah, it seems that the opaque resin seems to be the same colors as well, and the miniatures. So premium box add-ons. Oh, I see. So this is part of the premium box, the little hanging terrarium, as are the bigger pebbles, these ones, and the blue sand. Okay, so that's just blue sand. Right, okie dokie. Fabulous. Oh, well, I can't wait to see what people are going to do with this. I am very much looking forward to doing this. I think this is going to be a beautiful project. I've never done anything like this before, so this is very exciting. Let me know what you think of this box. Let me know just, you know, what you plan to do with it when you do get it, or if you have it already. Let me know what your favorite item is. I think for me, it's going to be the flowers. I really love those flowers. And the teeny tiny little house, this tiny little cottage right here, it's just adorable. It's just so, so cute. I'm very excited to see like what I come up with this. Now, if you're interested in grabbing yourself a Sophie and Toffee box, down below in the description box is my discount link. So make sure that you do save yourself some money if you're gonna go ahead and shop on there. I can't wait to get stuck into this. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. And of course, so you don't miss my tutorial on using these products. Take care, my darlings, and I will see you all soon. Mwah. Bye.